What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope every single one of you guys is having a fantastic day. So real quick, before I get into the video, me and Stang Mode are hosting a car meet next week. It'll be a Saturday, May 11th. I'll put the info on the screen. So if you guys want to come out, support, and have a good time, and you know, we're gonna have some fun with the cars, maybe even go to Mexico, make sure you show up. All the info you need will be on the screen. So since we're gonna start the build, it's gonna be little by little by little by little. It won't be all done in one day or in 1 week. But in the meantime, my drag setup is here. I can't wait to show you guys the wheels and the tires that will go on the Mustang. I am so excited. This is the beginning of a beautiful build. So without talking too much, let me show you guys what wheels and tires I got, and let's try to squeeze them in the Mustang afterwards and see if we could fit everything in the Mustang, because we don't have any other way to take them. So let's turn on the Mustang and bring it out here because I have no room anywhere in the garage to play with. So let's get it. So we got the wheels right here and then the tires right here, and I have to squeeze all of this in the Mustang. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we're gonna try to. So now the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Let's open this up and check out the wheels. All right, I got Forge-Star wheels. I think they're the I think they're some of the nicest looking wheels out there, and yeah, they match really good with the car. Try to do this with one hand is not the best thing, but we'll figure it out. Ta-da! Here they are. They're so beautiful. 17 by 10 Forge-Star wheels. This is gloss black, by the way. What do you guys think? I love it. It looks really, really good. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Let me get it in the light a little bit for you guys to see. What do you guys think? They're really light too. So I'm gonna take the wheels out of the boxes, leave them in the wrapping and putting them in there. Obviously, if I don't leave them in the box, I'll have more room to play with. But the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tires and put those in there first, because those are the biggest. So now let's open these tires up. I'm not sure how, but I think we just gotta take these off. Great. Alright, here we got a 305 45 17. Look at that. Woo! That looks beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time to squeeze all these parts in the car. Let's get it. So now we got both of the tires in here. One here and one right there. So I've successfully put the wheels in there. And now it's time to roll. Let's get it. We are pulling up. Oh man, they're so busy. It is ridiculous. Wow. Whew. Look how many cars there is. Let me show you guys. There is like a million cars here. Super busy. Super busy. There's no room for anything. Alright guys, so here are the wheels one more time, and the tires, and then the car. I am so excited for the wheels. They're gonna look super, super sweet. Let me know what you guys think of the wheels in the comments below. Do you guys like them? Do you guys hate them? Or you're just in between? Check out this Yamaha right here. Look at the wheels, they look so nice. I need me one of these. They look sweet. But these wheels look so sick. I'll show you guys around. What do you guys think? What would I possibly do with this if I get one though? Off-roading maybe? Would anybody want to see content of that? Alright guys, so I came out here because it's less noise as inside because they're working obviously. So you guys are probably wondering, why did I pick 4 stars? So there's a few reasons why. So the first drag setup I was gonna get was gonna be VMS. So on their website they were all sold out. Everywhere it was all sold out. I found one company who was selling them, but they were lying, saying they had them in stock. They took my money and then never heard anything back from them. I had to call my bank, called them. They were like, yeah, it's on 3 to 4 month wait. I was like, why would you put it on sale then on your website and not say that? So anyways, they refunded my money and then I started looking everywhere else. So then I started to look at race stars. And race stars, they're a little bit heavier than these wheels. And also I have them on my Hellcat and I just didn't want the same wheels on both cars. I wanted something different. So I was like, what could I get? You know, of course there was welds, but they're a bit too pricey and there's no reason for me to go that expensive. So I found these. These were a little bit more than the race stars, but they were nicer and lighter. But yeah, that's pretty much what made me get these 4-star wheels instead of the other ones. Of course, the tires, I wanted to get the Mickey Thompson's 305 45 17s, best tires out there with the setup that I'm trying to do. So that's the setup that's going on the car right now. I'm so excited to see it all done. We're also putting black wheel lugs. Look at that. They're gonna look so good instead of these old silver ones. Oh man, I am so excited for this. Look at them. It's coming down. Beautiful. Alright, so I put the stock wheels and tires back in there and wrapped them up. Now we are ready to roll. So right now we are pulling up to the car show. I don't know what to expect, but it better be pretty lit. I know it's at a Chevy dealership. I know. It's a Chevy dealership, but so it's right there. A lot of Camaros, as you would expect from a Chevy dealership car meet. Look at them. There's like 100 Camaros. Look, let me show you guys. We're about to pass them. Look at all the Camaros. Holy moly. A lot of them. A lot of Camaros. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys a few cars that are going to go on the dyno, and then I'm going to walk around and show you guys the rest of the cars. So we got a 1LE right here. That's going to go on the dyno next. And then we got this SS going up right now. It's super loud. Super loud, but I'm excited to see. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think this will put down. I think about 540 to 550. So they're taking a quick break from the dyno, and in the meantime I'll go around and show you guys a few cars out here. Check out my friend's CTSV. This thing is quite fast. Then we got this race car right here, and then we got an orange Hellcat Go Mango, which is so beautiful on these Chargers, especially this Hellcat. But what is going on? Look at the Hellcat symbol. I don't know why it's looking up. But this was actually bought from my friend's dealership. Literally, when I went to review a car a week ago, the guy was buying it. We got a ZL1 right here. It's in white. And then we got a Hot Wheel edition. And we also got a ZL6 with beautiful red interior. Another white ZL1 right here. And out of all these Camaros, there is this beautiful Mustang, and check the stands out on it. It looks so beautiful. Let me show you guys around back. Woo! It looks beautiful. Alright, the ZL1 is up next. Alright, it's time to get the Z01 up there. I've been waiting for this. So something's definitely wrong with that dyno, because it did it with my friend. It put out way less numbers than it actually is, and then it just did it with him. 508 is, no, that's not accurate. Now we got Quan going up. Go ahead. This thing is so loud. Put down. Everybody comment. If I like your comment and comment back, it means you got it right. Comment down. It's a full bolt-on CTSV on 93. Comment down below right now. But anyways, we are about to leave. Let's hop in our little Mustang and get going. Alright guys, so I'm finally back home. Let me show you guys the wheels one more time. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Let me show you guys real quick. Wow, they look beautiful. Perfectly matches with the car. I'm also gonna get the front runners for the front, so they're gonna be a matching set, and this car is gonna look so beautiful. So I got the car in the garage, and now it's time to end the video. I'm so excited for this build. I hope you guys are too. Little by little, this car is gonna be a monster. Just be patient for a lot of the things I'm gonna announce. I'm working with some big companies that want to be part of the build, so stay tuned for that. And when I say soon, I mean real soon. But with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. So if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos, and of course, be part of the family. Make sure you follow my social media. It's right here, and there's a few links in the description. I'll take you straight directly to it. And now it's time for me to go. So I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace out.